for any architect, whether it's solution architect or cloud architect, technical, system lead, or simple solution, the software developer. Refactoring is not like 1 month or 2 months or 6 month activity. It's a regular stuff. You have to do it whenever you see something, think, can it be better? So that you don't end up with a big change to be done. Be sure you have your testing sandbox environment so that when you break something, you can fall back, you have something to validate. Architecture decision which was taken in past might be right at that time, but that doesn't mean it's still valid today. So keep challenging it, keep seeing opportunity to improve it.
Yes.
At the same time, you need to have the skill set to talk to the business in a way that you are taking your organization forward, not backward, with this kind of arguments like business doesn't understand technical stuff and they are holding us back, and that's why we have these technical debts. That means you have some challenge in your interpersonal skills. You need to work on that to convey the message. This is not something we are doing it for fancy code, and you can't just stop business from doing their own stuff to make money just to have a best practice. So that's a well balanced one has to have as an architect. And yeah, would you like to summarize something else, a message for our viewer?
I think that summarizes it pretty well. In my opinion, the job of an architect is number one, to communicate, number two, to simplify, and number three, to help make decisions. I think that sums it up pretty well. You have to have the communication skills in a lot of directions. And you have, at the end of the day, you have to help the people to take those decisions. On the business side, they might not be interested in the technology, so you talk to them in a different way about the same topic, is the same outcome. On the developer side, they shouldn't have to get a financial degree. And bringing those two together, yeah, that's communication. That's making it simple enough for either side to understand what the other side wants, and that's helping both to come to some agreement. That's the decision.